Hello everyone, good morning. Can anyone confirm audible or not? Can you hear me? You can use your chat window. Can you hear me, guys? So any newcomers who is joining from today onwards? Okay, yesterday we completed one demo session. Okay, any newcomers who is joining from today onwards? Can you raise your hand in the chat box? Otherwise, you can say like yes. Newcomers, raise your hand. Yeah, newcomers, 6 members only. Raise your hand, otherwise you can say yes in the chat box. Ten members. Okay, perfect, no issues. Okay, newcomers. So my name is Srinu. I have overall 10 years of experience as a full stack engineer. Okay, currently I'm working as a React.js developer. So come to our course. It is like React full stack. The total course duration is like 60 hours. The total course duration is like 60 hours. Okay, as part of this course, we are going to discuss React. For the React, what prerequisites are required? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, those topics also we are going to cover. Let me open our course content. Already I have that. Let me open our course content. Okay, this is our course content. Any UI technologies you can learn, like UI library, framework, React, Vue, or Angular, or Backbone, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These three are like common. Okay, so we can say these three are like a prerequisites to learn any UI library or framework. So we are going to start our sessions like HTML. Okay, 2 to 3 sessions are enough. If you have a knowledge on HTML, that is well and good. Okay, if you don't have any knowledge, then that time no problem. We are going to start from scratch. Okay, so we are going to start like, okay, HTML, and then it's take maximum 2 to 3 hours, and then we are going to start CSS. Okay, minimum basic things are required. So how we can apply CSS? How many ways are there? Selectors, media queries, positions, box model. Okay, what is Flux and Grid, and one of the framework Bootstrap. Responsive web designing purpose we are going to discuss. So first to 10 classes we are going to discuss like HTML and CSS. Okay, if you want to consider these 10 classes as like a demos, your wish, your wish. Okay, but this is as part of our course content. Why? Because to learn React, these things are required. Okay, once we completed like HTML and CSS, we can start with, okay, JavaScript with React. Okay, now see this. There has multiple topics or there these many topics we are going to cover in JavaScript. Okay, newcomers, you may have a question like, I came here to learn React. Okay, yes, we are going to cover all React topics. Don't worry about that one. Why we are going to cover this HTML and CSS and JavaScript? You know, if you go for any interview, any UI related interview, okay, like a React.js interview or an Angular or Vue, any interview if you go, UI, okay, front end development purpose. First, no one asks the questions directly on React. No one asks the questions directly on Angular. First, they are going to start like, okay, basic things, HTML. Okay, they may spend like overall interviews like 60 minutes. Okay, it is like 5 minutes they may take. And then, okay, CSS. And then CSS. Okay, it may take like 5 minutes, and then they are going to start with JavaScript. I'm sure that if it is like 60 minutes duration your interview, I'm sure that minimum 30 minutes they are going to spend. Minimum 30 minutes they are going to spend, minimum. Okay, here they may ask like, okay, JavaScript topics, or they may ask you write a programs on JavaScript logics and everything. Okay, they may ask. Okay, minimum 30 minutes. Once they satisfied with this knowledge, HTML CS is okay. Once they satisfied with this knowledge, then that time only, okay, they can go with, okay, either React or an Angular or Vue or Backbone. Okay, your, okay, project you did, okay, you completed your project on React. Okay, they are going to, okay, they are going to ask the questions on React or Angular or Vue. Got my point? So overall this, okay, overall these things if you observe, okay, see this part is very very important or not. Okay, after that React they may ask, they may spend like 20 to 30 minutes, that may extend also, but this one is like minimum 20 to 30 minutes they are going to ask. Got my point? Okay, that the reason, okay, JavaScript is like very very important. Okay, so as part of our course also, okay, we are going to cover these many JavaScript topics. Okay, we are going to cover like these many JavaScript topics. Okay, see, HTML and CSS we covered like first 10 days. Don't think like after 11th day onwards we are going to start like JavaScript. Okay, there has 35 topics or there, it's take like 30 days. Okay, total 40 days. Okay, we spend on HTML CSS. Don't think like that. First 10 days HTML CSS we are going to cover 10 hours. After that, directly we not complete all the JavaScript topics. Okay, directly we not complete all the JavaScript topics. What we are going to do is, we are going to start React and JavaScript parallelly. Okay, for example, second topic you can take how to prepare the templates in React. Okay, if you want to understand this particular topic, first of all, in JavaScript you should know about the functions, how JavaScript functions are looks like syntactically. Okay, how we can write the function, arrow functions, normal functions, all these things you should know. So before start this topic, okay, I want to cover in JavaScript variables and functions, all this stuff. So whenever the React topic requires some JavaScript knowledge, then that time first I want to cover JavaScript, and then I want to cover, okay, React topic. Okay, here how to handle the events in React. First of all, what is an event in JavaScript? Okay, I will explain and then come back like that. My React and JavaScript go parallel. Don't think like once my JavaScript all the topics got completed and then we are going to start like React. Not like that. Not like that. JavaScript and React like go parallel. Whenever React topic is required some JavaScript knowledge, immediately we can go with the JavaScript, complete the topic and come back, and we are going to complete our React topic. Okay, like that, these many topics we are going to cover. These many topics we are going to cover. Okay, in JavaScript, okay, 35 topics we are going to cover. In React, okay, these many topics we are going to cover. Okay, now the next part is like build and deploy. For example, you completed one website. Okay, that website we should not, okay, we should not keep with us, right? If I developed one website, if it is keep with me, then what is the use of that one? I have one product. Okay, I created one website about that product, just I want to publish it. If you want to publish your website, how we can publish it? Then only, right? In this world, anyone can see your website. Okay, how we can build your React application and deploy that React application so that anybody in this world can see it. Okay, so how to deploy the website React one in the GoDaddy, Amazon Web Services, and Vercel. Okay, here these three things we are going to cover. Okay, Docker, Jenkins, that kind of things we not. That is completely DevOps thing. Okay, how we can deploy your application in GoDaddy, AWS, and Vercel. Okay, how we can deploy, I will tell in the class. The next one is like, once you develop, okay, one application you are developing, okay, that's in progress. No one keep our code in our local machines, right? Okay, in the cloud somewhere we have to store. For that, there are some service providers or their version controls like Git. So Git we are going to discuss as part of our course. Okay, the next one is like I said, like React full stack course. So not only front end, here in this course we are going to cover not only front end, I want to cover some end to end application. For example, registration page is there. At the time of you enter your details in the registration form, at the time of clicking on the register button, that data you have to store within my database or not. So if you want to store the data in the database, the communication with my database requires what? On server side application, either Java, .NET, PHP, Python, okay, Node.js, Salesforce, any one of the server side application is required. So that kind of end-to-end application I want to discuss as part of this course. So backend help is required. So my backend we are going to use like a Node.js. If you have knowledge on Java, no problem. You can create one backend endpoint. I will tell how to communicate with that endpoint by using React. Okay. So once my React to communicate with Node.js, my Node.js is going to keep the data within the database, right? Which database we are going to use as part of our course, you know? Okay, we are going to use like a MongoDB database. So we are going to cover Node.js and MongoDB. Don't think like it's not a full-fledged Node.js course. Some part, okay, we are going to cover 30%. We are going to cover how to create your API calls and everything. Once it is done, we are going to start with, okay, Redux. We are going to start with Redux. It's a kind of state management. Okay, state management at application level. For example, I have some data. I want to make the data is available entire application. Then the time you can go with the state management. Okay, by using one of the third-party library, we can manage the state at application level by using this Redux. So implement Redux in your React application. Not only Redux library, there has one more library also there to manage the state, that is like a juice stand. Okay, so I want to cover Redux as well as juice stand also. Okay, to manage the state at application level. Once it is done, the next topic is like React hooks. Okay, it is not in the same order. Okay, we are going to discuss based on our, okay, for example, I need this use state after 5 days in our sessions. Okay, so that we are going to cover like that. React hooks, this is very, very important. Nowadays, people are completely moving to functional components. If you want to work with functional components, you should know about the React hooks. Okay, frequently we are using these hooks. We are going to cover these 8 hooks: use state, use effect, use ref, use context, use reducer, use memo, use callback, and use transition. Okay, I said like end-to-end application, right? Okay, I'm going to create one online test application end-to-end. Client is like React Redux. Server application is like Node.js with Express. Database is MongoDB. Okay, if you are comfortable with Java, client is React Redux. You can create your Java application with some microservices, Spring Boot microservices you can use. You can use MongoDB or Oracle or MySQL, whatever you want, you can use it. The same application I want to do by using GraphQL. Nowadays, people are moving from REST to GraphQL. That's the reason I want to introduce to the GraphQL. It's a query language to write your endpoints over REST. So client is like React with GraphQL, server is like Node with GraphQL, and my MongoDB is my database. And it is like authentication purpose, we are going to use like a JWT tokens. Okay, how to implement, okay, client and server communication application, JWT token, how we can pass from my client to server. Okay, weekends we are going to cover, weekends or normal sessions, whatever it is. Okay, we are going to cover like a Next.js. It's a framework on top of React they developed. Okay, Next.js, it is not a Next.js course, but why we are including here, you know, if you know React, Next.js built on top of React. That means if you know React, you can say simply, yes, I can work on Next.js also. Why? Because the same topics we are going to use in our Next.js, same React topics we are going to use. The next one is like React Native. It is used for mobile application development purpose. Don't think like it is like full-fledged React Native course. Again, I'm telling React Native. Okay, also 60 to 70% React related concepts only they are using. That's the reason you can say, if you know React, okay, you can say I can work on React Native also. Okay, the next one is like React with TypeScript. Okay, in our course we are going to discuss like React with JavaScript as well as okay React with the TypeScript also. Why we go for TypeScript, some examples, and React application we are going to create with some okay TypeScript. Okay, the next one is like I want to develop one Webpack application. It is like a bundling purpose. I want to create an application by using Webpack. As part of our course, okay, we need to install these softwares. One is like I prefer like Visual Studio Code Editor. The first thing you have to do is like now itself you can install it. The first thing I will tell you when you need to install this Git. Okay, if you want to install, you can go to this link and install it. There has one tool is there to work with Git to desktop GitHub. Okay, you can install that. Okay, next one is like MongoDB database. I want to use it. You can download the MongoDB community version and install. MongoDB Compass is the tool which is used to connect with your MongoDB server. Okay, you can install it. The next one is like to work with Node. Okay, npm. Okay, you have, it's a node, not a technology, it's a software. Okay, Node software you can install. Okay, from here. The next one is like to test your REST calls and everything. Okay, Postman you can use it. You create a REST API calls and GraphQL endpoints, right? Those you can test by using Postman or SOAP UI. Any one of this one you can use it. These are the softwares required. Okay, to our entire course you can install it. The next one is like some of the accounts are required to play with that. Okay, GitHub you can create your own account, so that in that account only you can create your repositories and branches and everything. Okay, the next one is like Vercel. You can create an account. These are the free accounts to deploy your code. The next one is like mongodb.com. If you don't want to use local Mongo, you can use the cloud Mongo also. How to use the cloud Mongo I will tell. Create an account here. The next one is like AWS Amazon.com. Okay, you can create an account here in this website. Okay, is used for deployment purpose. They are going to ask like debit code or credit code details. 1 year free account you can get it. Okay, it's a matter of just give the valid credit or debit code details. Okay, they deduct like 2 rupees only for check. Okay, whether you are like a valid user or not. The next one is like create an account in the npmjs.com. Why? Because I want to create my own library. I want to publish in this world. In this world, anyone can use my library. Like that, I want to create one React library and publish it so that anybody in this world can use it. Like that, I want to publish. So this is the npmjs.com is helpful for us to publish our libraries. Okay, this is our website. Day to day, we are going to update our content, our programs, and everything in the uijavakit.com. This is our website. It is 24/7, always available. Okay. Okay, first 10 class videos I will provide to you. Okay, first 10 class videos I will provide. Okay, this is my first class video, yesterday's class video. Okay, first 10 class videos will provide. Okay, this course helpful for who want to put some experience. Okay, I have some gap. Okay, I have some gap. I want to put some experience. Okay, for that people, okay, I'm sure that this course is like very helpful. Okay, so if you want to download newcomers, if you want to download this content and everything, okay, can you go to this website first? Can you go to this website? Newcomers, can you go to this website? I pasted in chat. I pasted in chat. Are you able to open or not? Can you give some confirmations? Are you able to open? I pasted in chat. Okay, now what I'm doing, don't think more about that one. Okay, are you able to open that website or not? Yes. Okay, there you can see one React tile. Are you able to see that React tile? React tile. Are you able to see the React tile? Okay, click on the React tile. Click on the React tile. Okay, this is the website. Okay, come down, you can see the React.js tile. Click on that React tile. You can come down, there has one link is there, today class link. Just click on the today class link. Okay, once you click on this today class link, you can see this zip file. Can you extract this? You can extract this. Okay, once you extracted, you can see the content. Okay, all this stuff what I explained just now, you can see here. Okay, yesterday's video link also you can see there. Like that, I'm going to share our day-to-day programs and everything with you. Got my point? Are you able to download? Are you able to download? Are you able to see the content, newcomers? Okay, to cover this content, minimum 60 hours it is going to take. Okay, our class is daily. It's like 9 a.m. exactly it is going to start. 10 a.m. we are going to stop. 9 to 10. Okay, Monday to Saturday we have the sessions. First 1.5 month there is no Sunday sessions. After that we may take the Sunday sessions also. It's like long sessions, 2 hours, like that, 2 to 3 hours. That depends. Okay, okay, then now anyone have any questions, you can unmute and you can talk. Okay, next session onwards we are going to start our actual sessions. Any newcomers come also. Okay, we are going to start with HTML. Okay, first 2 sessions only we are going to discuss about the content. Okay,
when do we need to install all the programs?
All the programs or softwares you are asking?
Yeah, when do we need to install them?
Yeah, I will tell. Okay, I will tell. First you have to install. Okay, next session onwards we are going to start like HTML, right? You can install the Visual Studio Code software first.
Sure.
First link is there, right? Yeah, wait 1 second.
Hello,
Sure.
sir.
One by one. This one you can install it first. After that I will tell whenever it is required, then that time you can install it. You have,
Sure.
yes.
Sure. How many days is this course?
Okay, this course is like 60 hours maximum. It's take like 2.5 months.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Will we include any courses in the any project in this?
Any projects?
Yeah.
Okay, as I said, these, okay, total end-to-end application, it is like one project only. Like this, four applications we are going to create end-to-end.
Okay, because I asked because like I was giving the interview for another stream, so they asked many times about the projects. Like I've done any internship or any project with the courses.
Yeah, you can say like as an intern, you can say this project we did it. Okay, if you want to put like some experience, no one complete the project within 10 hours or 1 week, right? Okay, don't Don't say like, okay, don't keep these projects, but these projects helps you, okay, to work on the real-time
No,
projects, whatever
no,
it is.
I'm saying like for 1 year experience, can we include these projects, sir?
Okay, 1 year experience also, don't keep this project. You can get some description, okay, from outside. Okay, just you can convert it.
I didn't got you. What you said about the description and convert it?
You can get some projects from outside, is nothing but you are taking like 1 year of experience. You want to put like 1 year of experience, right? Okay, that means it is a fake experience only, right? Yes or no? Hello?
Yeah, I got you, sir. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, from the consultancy itself, okay, you can ask them, hey, I need one project, so that they are going to give some description about one requirement. Okay, you can keep that one into your resume. Okay, just
Oh,
don't put like this kind of projects, online tester. Don't keep this kind of projects. This is the matter of, okay, 1 week we are going to complete. Okay, how we
oh,
can put like, okay, if the project completed like 1 week, how we can keep this project inside your resume? It's not recommended one, right?
oh. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Just wanted to clear this criteria. Thank you, buddy.
Yeah,
sir, I have another question.
yeah.
So I'm in the process of applying to internships right now.
Mhm.
So if I get if I want to try a certain internship in between these classes, will this be applicable, or I need some time to?
No, no, no. If there is no clash with the timings, then the time just you can go ahead with this.
Okay.
This would helpful to you.
Within how many days would we get so much detail so that so that I get an internship?
Okay, minimum 2 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if we miss one day video, so will it be recording available, lifetime access will be provided?
See the recordings and everything. It's not lifetime access. Okay, it's like maximum 6 months, 6 or 9 months. I'm not sure about that one. Okay, you need to check with it.
So is there any class without HTML, CSS directly? We are already front-end developers. Those people direct React.js, do you conducting like that classes?
Directly React.js, I'm not sure. Okay, you need to check. Okay, it is like from scratch this course.
Good morning, sir.
Sure.
Hello.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Sir, can we expect month stack development, full month stack development from this course, sir?
Yeah, it's this course is that kind of, okay, we are going to cover like Node with Express, MySQL, not MySQL, Mongo, and React.
And sir, how many years of experience can you mention after running this course? Can you mention 4 to 5 years?
That is completely depends. That is completely depending upon your practice and everything. This content is enough to crack your interview 3 to 4 years. I'm sure that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, from my side, just I can deliver this content. From your side, you have to put some more effort. Okay, main focus, you have to focus on JavaScript first.
So you are covering JavaScript and for the cracking for the interview.
Yes, that is only the goal.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Yep.
So will we cover all MongoDB concept like of code management?
Okay, it is not like all MongoDB concepts. It's not, okay, we're not covered. Okay, just how much is required for our end-to-end flow to save, update, okay, that kind of things. Okay, we are going to cover. It's not like, as I said, Node.js not full-fledged, MongoDB is not full-fledged. It's not full-fledged course. Okay. In our end-to-end flow, how much part is required in the Mongo, that much part only we are going to cover. Got my point?
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, one question, please. So we have classes every Saturday, or
Yeah.
random Saturdays we are going to have classes.
Every Saturday, Monday to Saturday, we have classes.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, I'm audible, sir.
Go ahead. Yes.
Yeah, so like if I want to join through the offline and sometimes in online, is it possible, sir?
No, it is completely online course. Okay, there has some offline sessions also going on in React in Naresh IT with another
Yeah.
faculty. You can check with Naresh IT.
Okay, this is only for online.
It is
Okay.
completely online. Yeah,
And-
offline classes also going on.
And sir, any good consultancy you can recommend, like which is I want to put 1 year experience.
Yeah, you can drop a mail. If I find something, I can let you know.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
you.
can on design will be the part of this one?
Second, I don't.
On design.
No.
Auntie.
No.
Okay, thank you.
Wait, is this class only Saturday and Monday or daily?
Okay, it is daily, Monday to Saturday, every day 1 hour. It's daily sessions. Daily sessions.
Sir, React, sir, are you going to cover React Native completely, sir?
No. React JS. Okay, the course is like React JS. React Native, if you know React JS, okay, I'm sure that you can work on React Native also. That's the reason. Just I want to introduce React Native. Okay, because most of the things, okay, whatever we are going to use in React, okay, we are going to use in React Native. Okay, we are going to create one application in React Native.
Okay, sir.
Got my point?
Mhm.
Sir, can you mention your email ID and mobile number so we can contact you for any help, sir?
Okay, the mobile number, not email ID, you can find in the feedback section in the uijavakit.com. Okay, this is the email ID. Just you can drop a mail if you have any questions on content or any other.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay, this course helps to Python people also. Okay, for example, see, you are a Python guy. You complete your course is like core Python as well as Django or Flask. Okay, Django or Flask, we are using like what? Okay, backend technologies. It's like a web frameworks, right? Okay, so those are communicate with your database. So here, instead of in the end-to-end course series, client is like React Redux. Server is not Node now. Server is a Python with Django or Flask. And MongoDB is my database. Like that, you can create one end-to-end application with React with Python also all works. Okay.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yeah. Good morning.
Sir, are you going to provide the FAQs for interview questions?
Yeah, see here, each and every topic, our teaching style is like one concept we are going to take on the concept, just we are going to give some examples. So each and every topic, just you can treat it like an interview question. Okay, don't prepare for interview like question and answers. Okay, just prepare like a concept. Okay, if they ask any question, okay, if you don't know exact answer, just related answers also you can tell. Okay, so that prepare like a concept, not like a question and answers. Each and every concept is like one interview question only. Think like that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Will you explain Django also?
No, that is Python, right? No, here in our course, Node is a back.
Some material UI and API development, deployment development, sir, are you going to take care of those things?
Here, okay, how to integrate Bootstrap in our React application, React Bootstrap and material UI design.
Sir, API development deployment.
Yeah, that's what, right? Okay, here, okay, once you created your application, React is a client we are going to deploy. Your API calls we are going to, okay, create by using Node, we are going to deploy, and MongoDB. Okay, APIs also we are going to deploy.
And React, we are going to learn new version, sir.
So again,
Sir, React new version are we going to learn, sir?
new version.
Huh? Which versions?
18.2 current version, current
Okay.
React version.
Okay, sir.
Any other questions, anyone?
So total course duration is 2.5 months. That means June to September, right?
Yes, max. Any other questions, anyone? Okay, just go through that content. If you have any questions, just let me know. Everyone able to download that content? Okay, class fee is like 5,000 without videos. With videos is like 8,000. Okay, so I suggest like who want to put some experience or freshers. Okay, working people linked. Okay, who want to put some experience. Okay, better to take like videos. Why? Because you can revise the session multiple times. Okay, who want to put some experience. If you have a gap, okay, don't try as a fresher, just put some experience.
Hello.
Yep, go ahead.
If I'm working in a MNC for 2 years and I want to switch to the front end, so in that case, how should I put like?
That's for you, like you people, that is easy, right? You already working. Okay,
Yeah.
so that you have, okay, bank statements in your hand, form 16. Okay, pay slips and everything is like genuine only. Just it's a matter of in the past you not worked on React. That's it, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So whatever you are working on the project, or you or your friends, okay, in your office, okay, just take their project. Okay, just you can convert, you can say, okay, I worked on this project as a React.js developer. Like that, you have to convert it. That's it.
Okay.
The meaning all are like same.
Okay. Okay. And in for the fee, so we have to pay the fee in one shot, or do we have some like 2 installment?
That is you need to check with admin. Okay. Admin.
Actually, I checked means I checked on the site. They said like
No.
attend the demo. And
Okay,
then,
no, don't worry about that. You can attend for demo. Okay, Naresh IT people only will connect with you. Your
okay.
site, okay, just give valid email ID and valid phone number so that they can communicate while joining.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, they will communicate after some, okay, or 2 or 3 days later, they are going to communicate. Okay, don't worry, no need to, okay, communicate you people with those guys. Those people can communicate with you.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Any other questions, anyone? Okay, then you can go through that content. Okay, so tomorrow and day after tomorrow there is no session, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so Monday onwards we are going to start with our actual sessions like HTML. We are going to start from here. Okay.
Sir, demonstrations are over today.
Yes, over.
Today is the last.
Okay, Monday onwards actual sessions is going to start. Okay, fee and everything, okay, you can pay after some time. Okay, actual demo sessions are complete. We are going to start with HTML Monday onwards.
Sir, HTML5 are you going to cover, sir, or latest version?
Okay, HTML, if you say, okay, if you know these topics, then the time you can easily learn by your own HTML file or some other also. Okay, like that we are going to teach. By your own, you can learn HTML, CSS, all these things.
No. So these are older versions, no, sir.
older versions we are using. Okay, HTML5, it's a new one, but HTML also we are going to use in HTML5, right? HTML5, what is there? They added like some semantic tags, some new attributes. It doesn't mean like don't use you like older, right? Okay, order list is there, table is there. HTML entire the same order list, same unordered list, same table only we are using, right? HTML5 they don't have any new table, right?
Okay, sir.
Got a point?
Mhm.
Sir, can we attend offline classes after completing HTML, CSS here?
No, it is completely online sessions. Okay, offline also going on with another faculty. You can check with Naresh. Mine only online.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Any other
This
question?
class done, really?
Second?
Is this class done?
Yes, yes. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow there is no class. The next class is on Monday. Okay, we are going to start with HTML. Okay. If you don't have any questions, just you can drop.
So whether Naresh will provide placement assistance for our companies?
Yes. Okay, we have, once you completed this course, one more course is like a separate. Okay, that is like free of cost. You have to write an exam in the Naresh ID. Okay, a mock exam. Okay, business assistant purpose. Okay, once you complete this course, you can write that exam so that those people will take care. You can check Naresh IT, you can get some more information.
Also, you will provide certificate, right? Completed React.js after
Yeah,
completion.
that certificate, if you want this certification, okay, course completion certification, but yes, Naresh IT people can provide.
Okay.
Sir, how many interviews are provided in this team?
How many?
How many interviews are provided?
Interviews.
Yeah.
Naresh IT people. I didn't get you. Didn't get your question. Can you repeat again? How many interviews?
They are providing some interviews now. Some companies are coming and
No, that is depends. Okay, that is depends. Okay, it's not like exact number. These many companies, not like that. Okay, see if you have stuff. No need to depending upon Naresh IT, some X, some Y. Okay, nothing is required. If you have really subject, if you have some gap, put some experience, upload your resume, you can get like multiple calls, you can crack your interview. Okay, don't depending upon any other people.
okay.
Got the point?
Okay.
Okay, the same interviews Naresh IT people what they said. Okay, the same thing. Okay, you can, if you upload your resume in the Naukri also, you can get the calls, right? Okay, so complete. Okay, come up with your subject. Okay, just complete your course. Okay, learn subject properly, and then you can upload your resume. You can get so many calls on React.
Okay.
Hi, sir.
Yep.
Sir, in Naresh IT, they are conducting one mock exam, you said.
Yes.
Sir, is there only one attempt, sir?
It's not like that. Okay, you can write multiple times, but they are going to conduct like 2 months, 3 months, one time, I guess. You can check with Naresh IT. You can go to the head office.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, can you show how to download content on Zoom?
How to download content you want me to show? Are you able to see my screen? Are you able to
Yes,
see?
sir. Yes, yes.
Go to this website, uijavakit.com. Are you able to open this website?
Yes, sir.
Come down, you can see one React.js style is there. Able to see?
Yes, yes.
Click on that and come down. There has lost one link is there, today class.
Okay.
Just click on that link so that you can see one zip file downloaded in the downloads folder. You can extract.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other questions, anyone?
Sir, can you post that link in the chat, please? Once again.
This link you have
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
already pasted. Okay, pasted again.
Thank you.
Okay then. Thank you guys. Tomorrow and after tomorrow there is no session. No need to join. Okay, the next session is on Monday. Monday onwards we are going to start with HTML. Okay, bye.